You ever notice how dropshipping looks so clean from the outside? A few charts, some screenshots of big sales, maybe a how I made 10k in a day post, but behind the curtain is really that smooth. The story is consistent multitasking. You are juggling everything: sourcing products, waiting suppliers, updating listing, managing shipping delays, answering customer emails at 11 p.m. and figuring out why your site suddenly says out of stock for everything. It's not just work, it's a mental load. And honestly, most people burn out before they've ever seen profits. And that's where Doba steps in, not as another app with flashy claims, but as a platform built to make the mess manageable again. It does not shout, it's simplified, it gives you back control. So let me show you how. A lot of dropshipping software feel like duct tape. One tool for importing, another for product research, one to sync inventory, another one for editing titles and description. Then you are jumping to spreadsheets, updating pricing manually, rechecking margins. It's all too much. And the thing is, none of these tools talk to each other. You are stuck trying to connect that dots when what you really need is one clean dashboard that understands your business. And that's the first place where Doba makes the difference. Everything you need, from finding a product, checking supply detail, pricing, listing item to a store, it's all in one place. No switching tabs, no plugins, no chaos, just clear connected workflow. Now let's talk about the part that made me stay. Doba AI Tools Hub. These are AI tools that save me where it really matters. The first is AI Product Finder. Instead of searching through thousands of listings trying to figure out what might sell, this tool recommends products based on market trends, pricing margins, and shipping time. You set your criteria like profit range, shipping zone, or product category, and Doba AI brings up legit options that actually match your business goals. It's not just most popular or random trending stuff, it's filtered intelligence. The second is AI Store Builder. So you don't want to waste days tweaking Shopify themes. The AI Store Builder creates a clean functional online store with products preloaded, titles optimized, and description written, all based on your niche. And this literally cuts out 90% of the website setup stress. The next one is AI Auto Listener. This one underrated, but it's really powerful. Instead of copy pasting every product, tweaking listing, resizing images, Doba AI handles the listing for you. You can push items directly to a connected store like Shopify or Ecommerce, and it auto updates pricing and inventory in real time. So here's what really makes Doba different. It's not just about having tools, it's about how those tools connect. For example, you find a winning product using the AI Product Finder, click once and it's auto listed to your store. Pricing is pre-optimized, supplier is weighted, shipping time is visible up front, and if it sells, the order can be automatically routed to fulfillment. From idea to live product in the store in under 10 minutes. No copy pasting, no back and forth emails, no wait did I forget to update the shipping fee. It's the smoothest flow I have seen in this space. So let's make this practical. Here's how a normal dropshipping day looks with Doba. In morning, you open your dashboard, check overnight orders. Doba already sync them to suppliers, inventory and stock level are up to date, no manual checks needed. Then afternoon, you want to expand your niche into pet travel accessories, open the AI Product Finder, filter by margin and delivery speed, get 10 solid product ideas. Then you pick 3, click add to store, and it's done. Auto listener kicks in. And in evening, you want to test new pricing. Your Doba pricing is right tools. It gives you the average sale price across marketplace and what your competitors are doing. You tweak, hit save, listing update across your store, no plugins or extra tool needed. It's that kind of day-to-day ease that keeps you consistent and avoids burnout. The margins actually work. Profit margins are through when you are paying for 10 tools just to run one store. But with Doba, most of what you need is built in. No need to pay for a separate AI writer, product research tool, and even order routing services. Even better, Doba lets you see real profit projection before you list. You can adjust your markup and see what you will make after shipping and fees before adding the products to your store. That transparency makes smarter pricing way easier. Normally, you did have to outsource VAS or build custom workflows, but with Doba automation features and AI support, you don't hit that wall so fast. Auto routing orders, auto pricing updates, bulk imports and editing, inventory sync with suppliers, multi-supplier backup for product. You can scale up to hundreds of products and still manage it solo. It's the kind of thing that helps small store punch above their weight. And why I actually trust Doba? So here's the honest truth. Most dropshipping platforms are designed to look good in a demo. Doba, on the other hand, feels like it was built for someone who actually done the work, who felt the pain of chargebacks, late shipments, bad suppliers, and support tickets filling up. It does not promise you to make rich overnight, but it will help you to get organized, build someone real, and actually enjoy the process again. If you are already in the game and tired of chaos, or if you are just getting started or want to skip the hard lessons, Doba is worth checking out. I will also drop the link below so you can try it for yourselves. And if you have any questions or queries related to the video, then definitely don't forget to comment down below. And if you want to learn more about Doba, then definitely go and watch this video of mine now.